All right, guys, finally bringing you the day of my beautiful XRT that I got for a steal on these big old Swamper tires. We're gonna launch the XRT off of this ramp and see if I land on this or a tree or somewhere. What's up, guys? I am very happy to bring you my XRT. I've always wanted an XRT and I finally found one on Facebook Marketplace for what I think was a steal. It came with everything you see here and a beautiful orange XRT, some stock graphic tires, and some orange sledgehammer tires, as well as these very awesome JD Concept tires that kind of look like they could be paddle tires if we wanted it to. But let's dive into this thing. As you can see here, it's the fully clipless body. And another thing, look, it even came with the lights. It came with the lights kit here, which is pretty crazy. Some aftermarket lights on the back to make it have little tail lights. It came with a 3D printed grip, which probably we're gonna start selling that on the channel. Even some orange wheelie bar wheels. Orange wing is just beautiful. And look how clean this thing is for being used. I could not pass this deal up. Even came with a telemetry expander. That is so freaking cool. And now we have orange shocks that have these little monsters on the shocks. Little shock braces that says XRT or shock protectors. And it came with metal side guards as well. So I cannot wait to see how well this XRT is gonna perform for us. I forgot to mention that it also came with 2 batteries and a dual live charger. So let's go see how this bad girl runs. Oh! I really like how these tires handle out here in the dirt. Woo! She's warming up now. She's just doing wheelies for days. Oh, look at that, it bent that. Oh no. So it didn't have enough to go up there and backflip. That's no problem. We can just put some earplugs in the center diff. There we go. We landed right on the front. Oh, look at that drive shaft. Oh no. All right, let's try the backflip one more time. Landed right on that arm. All right, let's get to another location. All right, because we broke this drive shaft or bent this drive shaft, we got some new ones here from GPM. It's supposed to be a lot thicker than this old Traxxas stuff, so we'll put them on and check it out. Yeah, that's noticeably different width. Look at that, that's GPM, that's Traxxas, that's a lot thicker. All right, guys, finally bringing you the day of my beautiful XRT that I got for a steal on these big old Swamper tires. We're gonna see what breaks out here at this fun playground that we just brought the Max Slash to. And while we're at it, Byron has the sledge here, so we'll get a little bit of film from that. But I'm really worried about this thing because it was shelf kept completely clean. Has not been bashed once, so let's go break some stuff. Boom, guys, guess what? We're giving away a brand new Traxxas Max on lifeofballin.com right now. Not this old clunker, not that piece of junk. We're giving away a brand new red Traxxas Max. And all you got to do is go to lifeofballin.com, get yourself some merchandise like this straight out of RCN shirt in every single size and in youth sizes, and you get automatically entered to win a brand new Traxxas Max. For every $5 that you spend equals 10 entries. Go to lifeofballin.com right now and enter to win yourself a Max. Whoa! She rowdy. All right, let's see if I can break the XRT. We're gonna launch the XRT off of this ramp and see if I land on this or a tree or somewhere. Tree. Tree. That was beautiful. All right, here comes Byron on his sledge. Spinach! Thank you. Nice, you landed it.
Oh, well, the tire blew up.
Oh yeah, you definitely blew the tire. Yeah, the tire's no longer with you.
That tire left the shop.
Well, run until she quits. Oh, the tire piece. Oh.
I think something else broke right now. There's still half a tire there.
It's just gonna vibrate literally everything. All right, here we go with the XRT up this big ramp. See where we land. I don't think I need that for anything, Byron.
This will help keep the phone cool, though.
Oh, appreciate it. It is the phone cooler. See what breaks. Oh. Oh. Nothing. Ow. Oh. I didn't see there was a hole there.
Hey, Brett, there's a hole there.
Ooh, that was hard. Oh, that one was hard.
We're gonna do this again.
All right, here come Byron. Oh my God. It's a tornado. It's a tornado. Oh my God. Oh my God. The foam is coming off. How did the dust settle? That's just fine. Everything is dusty now. Oh, dude. Jeez. Well, you had to buy two anyway, so. Stay away from me, demon.
Oh, the body broke. This is the new body. It broke.
That was 4 minutes and 30 seconds. You already killed it.
2 tires.
This sounds hilarious. Here. The foam came off. Oh God, oh God. Oh. Oh God. Ow. Something fell off or broke. What was that? Oh, it's just a leaf. I'm gonna hit this little one right here. Ow. I tried to make it up. It didn't even break my light bar. I think she's hot. Or my motor just killed itself. Oh. Oh. Oh.
And you're on temp.
No, it is temp?
Yeah.
Okay, I think so. Oh.
Yeah, what are you doing? You need to turn it off.
I don't know, man.
Are you recording this still? Good.
Jesus.
Holy, that was funny. You just fried the whole thing, bro. It's trash.
How much are these things?
$100.
I should have taken it off when we did this. I did break something then.
I'm so proud of you. I destroyed 2 tires.
Yeah.
We destroyed about the same amount of money, though.
Well,
You get to carry it back. You broke it.
that was depressing. But the XRT is still so much fun, and Byron's sludge was fun too.
For like 10 seconds.
For 4 minutes and 30 seconds.
I don't know if I'm on myself.
Yeah, you're perfect.
No, it's horrible.
All right, let's try out the XRT on the stock tires on some pavement. Oh my god, did it just blow the tire? It just blew the tire on there. I'm so glad that I had that on camera. Oh my god, the tire just came right off to it.
I'm telling you, you don't have any controllers. It's fine.
We gotta make another viral clip of that tire.
Oh no. What a viral clip.
Oh my gosh. Ow, it's almost coming off now.
Oh.
Yeah, look at it.
Yep. Oh no.
The foam is starting to split.
Oh, no.
I say send her one time.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Sorry.
It's wet my truck. Oh my
you see
god.
that?
That was crazy.
Is the body fine? The body's not okay. Oh no. Oh no.
No,
The tire.
not the graphics.
Does Brett need to do an explosion on a tire once?
Oh.
Oh no. What do you think, Brett?
I think this is brand new to me.
I broke it in your toy.
You did break my toy. It's only fair. You broke my toy, it's only fair because I've done that to all your toys, so I'll finish her off here.
What's that? What's happened? That was opposite of what I wanted.
What happened?
It
It went back on it.
Yes,
It went back on.
I know.
That's interesting.
Yeah. Cinder.
Oh, it is wobbling. Thank you for breaking my toy, Byron.
Hey, anytime.
Alright guys, as you could tell, the XRT was pretty durable, but all I seem to have broken is the light module that controls all of my lights. Yeah, I pretty well massacred that thing, but besides that, this truck had no problems taking the big jumps, and these tires absolutely rip, but they made the motor too hot, so I'm thinking I'm gonna have to go down in gears to make sure I don't grenade this motor. Hope you guys enjoyed. Check out the next video.